Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make a single line diagram in SmartComm PMS. To make a SLD, navigate to the IDE window. Click on Screen option and open a new screen. Save the screen to your preferred location. Change the width as 1920 and height as 1080 for a perfect screen size from the property editor, which is at the right. Change the background color of the screen. To add a widget, go to the search box in the left and drag-drop the widget required for the SLD. Search IEC MV/LV substation, drag-drop it on screen. Search busbar and drag-drop it. Use Ctrl+ arrow key to adjust the size of widget. Search for an IEC capacitor bank, and drag-drop it. Search IEC circuit breaker, and drag-drop it. Search busbar and drag-drop it. Search IEC lighting load and drag-drop it. Search IEC motor load and drag-drop it. Copy-paste it 2 times. Select the widget and tick on Component Hide from Property Editor. Repeat the same process for remaining widgets. Search LT label and drag-drop it. Give naming to the widget. Repeat the same process for remaining all the widgets. We will set the right side load to on and the left side load to off. To indicate that the load is on, link the widget to the on tag. Go to the widget box. Search ACB status on, drag-drop it and adjust its size. Select the ACB status on widget. Go to the property editor, find the tag name property. Click on the 3 dots, then navigate to User Tags, select ACB status, ACB_1, ST, CB, and ON. Choose the ON tag, click Submit, and then press the Enter key. Copy-paste this widget near all the circuit breakers on right side. Repeat the same process for left side load with ACB status of widget. And paste it to left side load. Now to add meters, search MFM in the widget search box. List of MFMs will drop down. Select the required MFM and drag-drop the MFM on the screen. Adjust the size of the meter. Select the meter, go to the property editor, find the tag name property. Click on the 3 dots, then navigate to User Tags. Choose the object for meter, click Submit, and then press the Enter key. Save the screen after placement of everything required for the SLD, run the screen using Ctrl+R. As you can see, SLD screen appears and you can click on MFM to view the meter values of MFM. SLD creation is completed successfully.
Thank you for watching.